In fact, what drove him into politics was even this desire to have the platform to touch as many people as possible, you understand, and to put smiles on the faces of people, by helping our people.
Members of the APC National Working Committee challenged public office holders to take a cue from Senator Ifeanyi's empowerment gesture.
Every time everybody's shouting about Bola Tinubu, the president is not going to be the only one that can solve this problem. The governors across the 36 states, the 109 senators, like Ifeanyi is doing, must rise to the occasion and continually do more at this season to be able to alleviate the impact of what is going on right now, the policies that have been introduced to ensure that Nigeria is on the path of economic strength.
And so I call on each and every leader, not just the senators, House of Representatives, councillors,